Is your hot water tank leaking? Call Water Out Now first. We accept all insurance companies, so give us a call now. We even offer 24/7 emergency service. We will extract the water fast and dry and clean any affected content. We are local and understand the Columbus area. Stop dangerous mold from hurting you and your family. At Water Out Now, we know water can be very frustrating. We want to help. Give us a call anytime 24/7 at 844-420-6881. Don't let another minute go by. Water damage can be devastating. Let's get started now. Call 844-420-6881.